Hello friends, I am Theo and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to list down some of the best adult webcomics for you to read. And just so you know, the webcomics in this list are ecchi and harem type of adult rather than bloodshed or cruelty. Or in other words, they are more of a hentai with better stories. Without further ado, let's get started.
初めてだって関係ない好きにしちゃって It's alright 人生なんてむずと甘いバカなんてダメトイレやんでちゃ自然でみんなで忘れてアルデンテ
Number 10 on our list is Perfect Half. Welcome to the world of wolves and fox. When the foxes breaks free from the wolves, they establish their own kingdom, Crimson Fox. They are no more ruled by the men and are standing up as equals. Moreover, they are ready to fight to protect their freedom. Now, in a land that is equally divided between men and women, the battle of sexes is on. What is going to happen now? Will the two kingdoms come closer or move further apart? Is this a savior? Check this interesting adventure drama series set in the fantasy world. Number 9 is Drug Candy. Sengu has always been a hard-working, diligent person, but those qualities do not save his life when it begins to fall apart. He is demoted at work and his marriage is falling apart. Senju's life is at an all-time low. At this point, he meets a smart and sassy girl by the name of Hanyura. She takes him on a ride, and an irresistible one at that. This does not come without any complications for him. As he becomes more addicted to her, he starts to drift apart from his life. He also gets into deep and messy stuff. Will he able to make it out alive? Next on the list is H-Mate. Hiro and Tai has been friends for 15 years. One night they end up sleeping together. Consequently, things get complicated. Their friendship is repeatedly put to the test as they each see different relationships. Are they really just friends with benefits or do they have feelings for each other? Read this romance drama series where the two friends struggle to find answer. Number 7 Study. When Tsunugi joins a study group to prepare for the government service exam, the study must have been the top priority. After all, study groups are for the very purpose. But the people in the study group keep themselves busy with things other than studies and find themselves busy in love triangles. Things get out of control. Meet this study group that just don't study. Number 6 A Pervert's Daily Life. Seon-yeon has no idea that she will be sharing her room in the company dorm with another person. When she barges into the room, she catches Jinwoo in the middle of his pleasure time. Embarrassed and nowhere to Jinwoo's life was headed towards misery. However, little did he know, Seon-yeon was no ordinary rookie. She had her own dirty little secret. Number 5 My Stepmom. As the name suggests, it is a love story between a stepmother and her stepson. While they try to hide this taboo relationship from the society, will their love succeed or it is all a plan of a new stepmother? Number 4 is Tie Me Up. Tie Me Up is an adult webtoon where the main characters do not know each other, but their lives take similar changes. Both work in the adult industry, but both suffer performance issues. Nagyun is an adult toy company worker, but his poor performance in the bed leads his girlfriend to dump him. Meanwhile, Yorang is a sex columnist, but a leaked video reveals her inability to orgasm. Separately, they visit the local hardware to purchase a rope to take their life, but not only do they fail to die, but the rope has also magically cured their sex issues. Next is Stepmom's friend. Siek-hyo is a 26-year-old boy who born with a golden spoon in his mouth. He lost his mother at a young age, leaving him and his dad to live together with each other. His dad let him live a life without worry because he wanted to ease his pain. One day, Seok's father introduced him with his young secretary he decides to marry. Seok initially thought that the girl is behind his father's property, but seeing her loving his father sincerely, he began to accept her in the family. However, things will change very soon. Number 2 on the list is Young Boss. Not only this webtoon has mature scenes, but it also shows how adulting is difficult, and hence it is a fit for the list of adult webtoons. Seokyo, his girlfriend, is slightly older than him but is very sexy. However, their frequent fights making him tired with his girlfriend. In the midst of all this, he secures a full-time job after searching for employment for a long time. Seung-ho is finally working on his full-fledged dream, but the problem starts when he gets closer to a female co-worker. Now his feeling swings between the two women as he develops feeling for one and another one is his only girlfriend. And at last, number 1 is Wet Woman. Wet Woman follows around the women who are in heat for their counterpart, and that when our protagonist comes to their rescue, giving them the pleasure they seek for. With this, we would like to end this list here. If you think our work is good enough, then be sure to leave a like and comment. Thank you for staying till the end.